How to add debit card on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, in your device, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL, search for amazon.com. After that, you will get to this official web page of Amazon. Now to add your debit card, first of all, you have to log into your account. So log into your Amazon account, and after that, once you land on this interface, navigate to top right corner. There you'll find your account section that says Hello Kate Accounts and List. Once you hover your mouse over there, a pop-up box will appear in your interface. Now from there, you have to go to Account that you will find under your account section at the top. So click on Account. Now you will land on the next page where you will find multiple options. So from there, you have to click on Your Payments. Now under this wallet section, there is an option to add a payment method on your left hand side. So click on it. Now you will get various payment methods. You can either add your FSA or HSA card. Under that, there is an option for credit or debit card. So click on add a credit or debit card. Now all you have to do is provide your debit card information. First of all, provide your card number. And under that, you have to enter the name that you have on your card. So check your card and then you have to provide your name on the card. Under that, you have to enter the expiration date. Under that, you have to enter your security code. After you do that, click on add your card button, and if the information that you have provided is correct, your debit card will be added to your Amazon payment methods. So that's how you can add debit card to your Amazon payment methods, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.